Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to fix this error on MySQL. If you're getting this error, MySQL shut down unexpectedly. So if you are trying to start MySQL and it is not being able to start and the error is showing in the log here, then how can you fix this? So what you have to do, guys, you have to open C drive where the MySQL is installed. Open it, go to program file and just go to in MySQL folder where you have to go to. So we need to come out of the program file folder and go to Xampp folder. I just forgot. Now once we're here, guys, just open the MySQL folder here, and now the solution starts. So you just need to, guys, make a copy of data folder and paste it over here with so it is already created with data copy. So we need to change it to, let's change it to data old, and let's keep it here. Now, guys, once we have created the copy of data folder, now open the original data folder, and here we need to delete some file from here. Now, guys, we need to delete a few files from here. Like first of all, press Control and select 3 file folder here: MySQL, Performance Schema, and PHP MyAdmin. And just unselect this one and just delete all of them together by pressing Shift plus Delete to delete permanently. And now, guys, we need to delete these log file as well. So we just need to select all these files except the folder and this IB data file. So just unselect it and delete all of them again. And now you need to go back to the MySQL folder and go to backup folder where we need to, guys, select all the files together by pressing Ctrl plus A and unselect the IB data one, and go back to that and just copy all the files together and go back to data folder and paste all the files over here and replace it. And once we have all these files, guys, now we are almost done. So now, guys, we are going to try this out if it works or not. So just click on this start button again. So, guys, if you're still getting this error, like if I'm trying to start again, I'm getting the same error, it means some other application is using the same port number. So I need to change the port number. So what you have to do, guys, you have to now, so you can do one thing here, guys. You have to open MySQL folder again, and now you have to go to inbuilt folder, and from here you need to open my configuration file. So here you can see, open it with the notepad, and now open it, guys. Now you have to scroll down, and here you will see here you can see the port number. You can change it to any number from here and just save it. Once you save it, you can close this file, and now we can try running again the MySQL server. And as you can see that, guys, our MySQL has been started successfully. So hope you like it. This is how you can do solve this error. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.